Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, we are going to learn how to cast on using the long tail cast on method, which means that you'll need a long tail to start your cast on. Now, I only casted on 12 stitches. You can definitely cast on as many as you want. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to start with about 16 inches of tail. Now the tail end is going to be in front of me, and the working yarn where the ball is going to be furthest away from me. Okay, so you want to start with a slip knot holding your tail. Remember, you want to start here where you have about 16 inches. So you want to hold the tail, wrap the yarn around your fingers over the tail, and then just grab the working yarn from this loop here and pull. Okay, place your needle onto your loop and tighten it. Okay, you don't want it too tight because you'll need to work into the loops, so just so that it's snug. So now the tail is in front of you and your working yarn is furthest away from you. Now place your finger and thumb into this space here, and then you want to open and then grab the rest of the yarn with your other fingers and then swing back. So this loop here counts as a stitch. So I'm going to cast on 11 more stitches for a total of 12 stitches. So using the needle, and I like to hold my finger here so it doesn't slip off, you're going to take the tip of your needle, go under this strand here, so it's the closest strand to you on your thumb. You're going to go under and up, and then right here, the strand closest to you from your pointer finger, you want to insert from the top. So you want to go top down, and then this loop here, you want to come back through. So that's where you first inserted your needle. Come back through, let go, and just kind of tug slightly. You can grab this and put pressure on both sides, so pull and tighten the loop on your needle. Again, you don't want it too tight. So that's 2 stitches you have on your needle. Okay, you want to keep on casting on. So again, thumb and finger in between your 2 strands, grab the 2 tails with the rest of your fingers and swing back. The tip of your needle under and up this first strand on your thumb closest to you, and then over here from the top down and then back through this loop. 3 stitches on your needle. One more time, under the thumb here, over this strand here, and back through this loop. So you're always working on the strand that's closest to you from each finger, or your finger and your thumb. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.